must video everything and put it on social media. You are depicting your stupidity and your foolishness. If Ghana is any serious country, that young man must be in jail.
On Ghana Sem TV, do like, share, and subscribe. Guys, why is Ralph trending? Why is everybody talking about him? Guys, do you know who Ralph is?
What are you telling me? What sense does it make? What sense does it make? What sense does it? What solution does it pose? People are dying. What are you doing? What are you making? Obi-Wan are there. Making less sense. It doesn't make sense to me.
No. Why is the first Schwarzenegger descending on this guy?
You must video everything and put it on social media. You are depicting your stupidity and your foolishness. If Ghana is any serious country, that young man must be in jail. Wow, bored and what? I see I wouldn't even sign a call. Wouldn't even back and to win the back on pneumonia won't go hospital. You are yelling, screaming in the hospital. In one of the videos, me who say I phone a pamacho, someone video in the book. What the fuck? What the fuck? Mokas the doctor's name nurses for a matter or home. And that former go school the boy nurse Libya. When they pay and the world should come to an end because your patient is sick. And you don't give a fuck about anybody. I'm saying it again. If Ghana is any serious country, that person should be arrested and everybody who was running about in the hospital. Nipa bakunti, nipa besa 20, and then go hospital to America causing chaos. Nyamia patabe danu wenina wa yana ya kamo phone call. What the fuck? What the fuck? Are you stupid? Are you out of your senses? You jump into the hospital and start making noise because of what? Because of who the fuck is who? Because of what? Who nipa na wode ko ho or you nipa e chenge o mo anu mguo na. Who nipa na wode. So how dare you go to a facility and start threatening health workers? Wow, camera, threatening people, you will do what? I don't know what you want one fence you and see one so. As powerful you thought you were. Why were you threatening people? Send out with him there was a way, and then I was saying, I offer oxygen. Now this is one also. Ah? As powerful you that you thought you were, that you were screaming. I didn't want to offer oxygen. Now one fencing or so. Now one chin moja and quiet blood with. Stop acting foolish. Stop acting stupid. The stupidity in Ghana is too much. Stop behaving like animals.
What is going on? Guys, Adum FM journalists did not spare this boy today.
Me wunu say yenua brantie bi e wo Ghana ha. Ghana ni di share. E di ankrofo de friend no ane Raf. Na abrantie mahu videos bi bebre fa no ho. One time hu video bi a na obi twini car no ase pothole no wakọ stop wo mo a apply kwan ni nyina se wakonya obi a obubu ani bafan bi chese eti wheelchair so na ono obubu chese bafan no bubu stones e de fill pothole no nti oye chese ogina ho aye ne nhese obi bia etwam bia momoden se obeche bafan no esika e ma ko wie akire kro ne woman bi a no oyisu ni Toyota Vet na kwentokwa bebre woman no kra ko frɛ ni kunkra bai any ade e be yansem bebre me pacho se utie me live on Adom 106.3 FM asem we asem a asi e wo Rich Hospital say asi over the weekend na brantie Rafi obinim ekwan a onya permission e de bowura eye Rich Hospital se abrantie bi yare na me pacho obi amra Facebook ni emehwe wo mehwe video bi na brantie yi kasa shout e wo hospital ho se wo muntimi enteki guy no ide na ba hospital no nurse for no take care of that boy na em say asemu a no opeso o kire nyina ne say nurse for ne say o mo hwehwe abrantie ne card na o mo hwehwe card na o mu hu but o mama abrantie ne empa oda so Now through that, and interrogation pressure, just a all hospital say, chena, yanshre, sabrantiano. Now, afei, Ralph no, why a Rasta man, and a Rasta no, and then Crawford so no pushing the choir bunting. Now, who patients are who will be or more hospital, why? Almost who here medical care attention. Now, Branty, the day, our hospital say, more ding and share. Nipa no aba hospital no muntimi nkase ne card ayira ana omo hwe card omo hu card ninti omo chese omo pese omo abrante no so yare no da Facebook no na me hwe ade ndi nam se na Ghana ye bedru ha da ben se obia betimi asori akọ hospital abo awuram ewo ayaresa bia se asimasi wenku a chenchena yenhwe no na emergency. We believe in emergency. Your emergency unit to ho ade no ba nurse for na ya train them doctors no, they know what to do. But abrantie ye de ekasa so omo hwa abrantie no na anya bia o ye hospitals no say baby abedu no aye loose say obia betimi asori no obo awuram e hospital ho say me maame aba ana me dem papa ba na me dem busuani bia ba na wo se ye bo modern se ye wo se ye hwe no na nurse for no ntimi take good care ana se wo mu ntimi enhwe abrantie no ana se ye nhwe patient no ntino obi abetimi ay dede e hospital ana minim say hospital ye nye dede ho even in our driving regulations say ye kaka akrampo a ye se udru court udru hospital ye mo aben enti yenye dede dia eba de say na brante wey etimi nya opportunity timi ko hospital ekwe dede kasa anyhow e hospital ba bia ayarefo ogu na ye hwa ayarefo asembisi a ebie adwene mu ema yehu.
Guys, I'm not sure you're aware of the reason. Watch this video.
Somebody needs to start doing something. So who is in charge, bro? No, I mean this is not needed. This is not needed. Let's just do the right thing. Somebody should just be inactive. Somebody should call somebody. Somebody should come and attend to somebody. That's it. That is all we are asking for. There should be any sense of agency, please. Mate. No, but you see, in as much as anyway, into a higher Ghana, it hurts. You understand? What do you mean by higher Ghana? There's a Ghana there, or be to me with and nothing happens. I came here, media way your minor. Yes, in Kofu pre emergency, let's attend to them. Or the whole coach guy, and who point apple. So I want to do the said then you name which was a higher Ghana. What do you mean, higher Ghana? That sadly, obia when unipa da hosa, also be sabia, but professionally you try to calm them down and you go and attend to the person. Martin, let me calm down. They're going to work on it. Calm down. Oh dear, you see, somebody should be around him. I don't know, so as I say, they understood. What is happening? Charlie, Ridge Hospital. This is happening in Ridge Hospital. I don't know. See, you see, who is supposed to be acting? Man, they don't care. Nothing is going to happen because at the end of the day, Obeko you can acquire health and your friends saying home care.
So apparently, this gentleman or guy called Ralph visited Ridge Hospital. And just as you appreciate in the video, he was trying to tell the nurses on duty to attend to the patient he brought in because it's an emergency. Imagine they have 20 emergency cases to handle. They have to look at the one that is more critical and more urgent. This is what health professionals do. And mind you, we have limited resources in this country, and nurses are few in the country. Employed nurses are few. So all that they do is to run shifts. Medical officers are few in the system. It's not like we don't have trained nurses or doctors in this country. But as you are well aware, they are not employed. So imagine you going into an hospital and trying to cause a lot of chaos. I'll call it that. To the extent that patients were even pleading with you not to video them. And you were creating a whole situation, blowing things out of proportion because, as usual, you were so fixated about recording everything. Nobody is saying you should not fight for our country, but I think that you should tone down.